Hi, my name is Teresa Pugmire. I'm your instructor for this class. I want to get to know you a little bit, and I made a little video for you to get to know me. This is my family, and we are so blessed and happy to have such a big family. I'm an educator. I've been an educator for many years, and I'm very passionate about education. I know that um, education can save lives. I've taught anywhere from kindergarten to college. I've been an instructional coach and a literacy interventionist, and I'm very passionate about reading. I live in Heber City, Utah with my family, and we get to enjoy this beautiful view every day. Something unique about me is that I am a first-generation American. My mother is there on the left, and she emigrated from Denmark when she was in her early 20s. And then my father also immigrated from Germany. This is a picture of him and my daughter. My daughter is holding a picture of him in front of the Statue of Liberty. And when we went to New York, we took a similar picture. And I'm grateful that my parents met each other and had me. I'm the youngest of 8 children. Top 10 favorite books, really hard to choose. I love Nancy Drew. The Secret Garden, I have read many times. I started first time as a child and loved it. Of course, I love the Harry Potter series, and this is the illustrated version. If you haven't seen that, you should really check it out. It's amazing. I love The Stinky Cheese Man and Other Fairly Stupid Tales. This one makes me laugh. It's a great one. And The Very Hungry Caterpillar is a favorite since all my children were little. I've read this at least 100 times in my life. Grandfather's Journey is very close to my heart. I think it's because of my parents both coming here. And then, of course, I love The Goose Girl. This is a version of Hans Christian Andersen's The Goose Girl, and it's excellent. If you haven't read it, it's by Shannon Hale. And then I have a whole collection of gingerbread books, and one of my favorites is The Gingerbread Girl. It's such a good one. I really enjoy it. This is one of my all-time favorite books, The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. It makes me cry every time I read it. I love Kate DiCamillo, and I read The Tiger Rising, which is another one of my favorites of hers. And then, of course, I love Jan Brett's The Mitten. I love all of Jan Brett's illustrated books. They're so fun to read with kids with all the detailed pictures. So that's 10 of my many, many, many favorite books. So I'm excited to get to know you and look forward to this class with you.